Incessant rains in Himachal Pradesh this week wreaked havoc as it triggered landslides across the state, blocking roads, bringing down houses, and causing damage to life and property. Teams of the State Disaster Response Force have been involved in rescue operations. The Indian Air Force also joined the operations, evacuating people to safer places in the state's Kangra district. In a tweet, the Indian Air Force said it carried out over 50 sorties and rescued over 780 people. All educational institutes in Shimla will remain closed on Thursday as roads are blocked owing to frequent landslides. The state government has urged the centre to declare national calamity in Himachal Pradesh. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi reached Leh airport, where he will be on a two-day visit to Ladakh starting today, August 17. According to party sources, Rahul Gandhi will visit Ladakh on Thursday and Friday. Rahul had previously visited Jammu and Kashmir's Srinagar and Jammu twice, but he could not visit Ladakh. The party source, however, did not reveal any other plans. He had then visited Jammu and Kashmir during his Bharat Jodo Yatra earlier in January this year. He once again visited Jammu and Kashmir on a personal visit in February this year and visited Gulmarg skiing resort, but could not visit Ladakh. The Congress leader is also likely to embark on a Europe tour covering 3 countries, namely Belgium, Norway and France, from the second week of September, sources said on Friday. The Indian Coast Guard on Thursday said it successfully evacuated a Chinese national from a Panama-flagged vessel in the Arabian Sea following a medical emergency. The evacuation was carried out at night amid challenging weather conditions. The Indian Coast Guard has successfully conducted medical evacuation of a Chinese national from a Panama-flagged research vessel, MV Dongfang Cantan No. 2, around 200 km in Arabian Sea off Mumbai on the intervening night of 16 to 17 August, the Ministry of Defence said. The Maritime Rescue Coordination Centre in Mumbai received information that one of the crew, named Yin Wei Yang, on board the research vessel had suffered a cardiac arrest and required urgent medical attention. Communication was established with the vessel, which was en route from China to United Arab Emirates, and provided necessary telemedicine advice. India's Chandrayaan-3 lander module Vikram has successfully separated from the propulsion module on August 17. With this, the final phase of moon approach has begun. The soft landing has been scheduled for August 23rd at 5:45 p.m. The ISRO tweeted, Chandrayaan-3 mission, thanks for the right made. Said the lander module, LM is successfully separated from the propulsion module. It is set to descend to a slightly lower orbit upon a deboosting plan for tomorrow around 16:00 hours IST.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.